made off pa. What to say? Mate, me show me ho ye. Na same lady me no ehia wa Adom TV. Nkuranhyensem dwuma die so. So ni me de dada. Me monchira o. Yo edi am yeso Apostle Dr. Anita Kutego. Wo de na me wura afire kakra. Wo say afro say mate ya me nhira o. O mpagya wodni na onye o mama. Wadwene ho pen. Ebisa ho. Se die ntina ba wi ase. Na senti aba no wo bubura se de ete no. Aso ba abrabo se ba waware. Bo pesika aba wo mma. Ani abusua edi akoniaba na wawu akọ. Have you ever thought about why you came to be part of the human race? Have you thought about what you can do to impact life in positive ways? Have you thought about why you even engage in marriage? What's the essence of marriage? Is it just for joy and procreation? I didn't know what you cry. Have you ever thought about why you are into the work you are doing? A didn't know Juma woman. As a Juma, when you made a show on Saturday, and a school no alcohol, I didn't know you. Yeah? I was here. Bebre, a bread, a mobiadi. You agree on one. Then, yes, sir, Obina, no me. Nemo ni anyako pondi she musa ya mayano. Atuna jajemu. Bebre yene ya nama ba bomo ya tifi free akoni aba na otwe no asore kiti no num no apon makwa adwuma ba na so nya adwuma se wo ye no. Na wo de yade no obrene nam. Esan se adwuma wo kondo ese wo ye no. Suban se wo de na die no nya ho aka de enyoye. Many of us are not living to our full potential. Now we are compromising so easily on life. Now no kwadwo ba no koye lawyer, onya sika to ka, osikoye lawyer. Now no abran ba no ko bobo, onya sika, osiko bobo. Now no kwadwo ba no koye policeman, onya abodni, osikoye police. Now no akosia ba no koye nurse, onya abodni. Ni ye keka ye nkwada ehye ba bia ni se wako. Now no Mark oya producer, osikoye producer. We always make choices that are at variance with the potential God gave to us. The way Ghana will be a juma kro. Then so a juma say de obeyo no. What na jejem. And we find excuses why we don't have to try. Oh, it's answer me Ghana henti. It's answer maybe bininti. Why are you finding excuses? You were made to be great. Many of us live our entire life trapped in mediocrity because we don't even know how to live life. We don't even know what action to take to make our life a reality. Many of us, baby, they come mediocrity. Bravo, I said, any niso, masira kodi, a friend of masira kodi, bravo. Oh, abrabo enyina mpempenso a esafata ya na Ghana yesi obi a celebrity obi a star ya na emisere celebrity bay so we see dan kese so we ka kese so ware mba bebrebe enu ye celebrity. For heaven to celebrate you, you should live a life that actually makes God happy, that you are unfolding the potential he gave you. I say because obi a celebrity no oyobi a adwuma ne nyoma Nyankopon de hye ne mu no odo na die ema ebi kanipa so ema epagya nipa brabo. Nti me say a great life is a life where you constantly grow, where you become better with each morning, and where you transform your life to impact the life of others. I'm saying a great life it's a life where you constantly choose to grow. I mean, you live a life of growth, where you kind of transform your life to achieve your full potential to impact on others. One will say, "What the ebruani share from one? Obuasa say ni epejaniti no oba no waso ebru no akotwadi." They say, "We live a great life, no." What the banshee dua utwa na tiawa ɛhyɛ fam a ɔhyɛ fam a no apagya na ahan abaso busumi nsia ibo abusumi nan na watu usemadi banchi no live a great life no koko aba ukodo efumu a na watu na obo na atodwe ohono unima atodwe otekra wonte atodwe kura da so di koko aba hefom na efifiri no na bre na fifi na so aba say aba no live great life ososo e do ba saso a aba beda woso. It is time you find out what life you are made to live, that you can choose to grow every day. You need to have behaviors and make choices that would mean you are growing. There's a difference between growing old and growing up. There's a difference between growing old and growing up. You can't growing older, I am feared already. Maybe I'm 30 years, 60 years, and we grow old. But growing up is measured by how strong you are mentally, how strong you are emotionally, and what you have brought to impart on the life of others. It means you have grown up. You can't grow older and federal when you need, but you can't growing up. Aye atinkamu onyini ni atinkamu po. Aye adwinimu enyini. Ena eye suban mu nyini a wa dosuko ama wa brabo edon fasode abre wo bre ne ka say we grow up enya de ton nye kaika enye fonto nye adwuma bi keke. But how have your life impacted the life of others? How have you grown up? How have you transformed your life? These are questions I'll leave you with. How has your life impacted others? How have you grown up? How have you transformed your life? Babon tu ponko si bembe so ben na ye wo wa sakra babo makodu hifa. Anu na chese wabu bra papa. Ma menya ha na me na ase se wo pemre ene me di dwumadie we. Na me fa na ase so nkoma me nua Prince Michael e sound. Na mpomi na eja Mark Webers we be kampedu Priscilla ena Thomas ni ade medamu nyina ase nwa job onu nyanu na wo a onya mrede omua eka dwumadie ho se wo MC a se wo empo floor managing so wo lighting se oye set whatever baby awo bi a wo ka dwumadie ho onya me nhira wo a wo ka dwumadie ho a oni me bi bra we na me se woni onya me entina